Welcome to Beautyistic, everyone. Let's talk about a makeup kit that promises to take your eye game to the next level. The Pupa Vamp, all-in-one and skinny liner set. Whether you're looking for full volume lashes or the sharpest eyeliner precision, this kit offers it all. But does it really deliver, or is it just another product that falls short of the hype? Let's dive in and find out. And before we go further, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest beauty reviews. Now, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the mascara. This isn't just any mascara. The Pupa Vamp mascara is designed to build volume naturally, giving your lashes that fuller, more defined look. It promises to deliver noticeable volume without clumping, and it does just that. The formula isn't too heavy, which helps with separation, so each lash is coated and defined, leaving you with a beautiful, voluminous finish. It's particularly effective for those with thinner lashes, giving them a bolder, more dramatic look without going overboard. Next, we have the Ultra Slim Eyeliner Pen. This eyeliner is perfect for those of you who want precision. Its sleek, fine tip allows for the thinnest, most precise strokes, making it an excellent choice for creating detailed, defined eye looks. Whether you're drawing a subtle line or going for a cat eye, the precision this eyeliner offers is remarkable. Plus, it dries quickly and doesn't smudge throughout the day, which is a big plus for anyone with oily eyelids or long hours of wear. If you're into sharp, clean lines, this eyeliner is definitely worth trying. Now let's talk about the kit as a whole. The set includes not only the mascara and eyeliner, but also a stylish clutch bag with metallic details, adding a touch of glam to your beauty routine. The clutch is practical for storing your essentials, but it also makes for a chic, on-the-go accessory. It's clear that Pupa Milano has put thought into creating a product that's both functional and fashionable. In terms of usability, the mascara and eyeliner are both easy to apply. The mascara's brush is designed to build volume without clumping, and the eyeliner's fine point makes it easy to create detailed lines without the struggle of precision. Both products are great for those who are short on time but still want to look polished. Is this kit worth the price? I'd say yes, especially if you're someone who values both performance and design. The mascara is great for building volume without the heaviness, and the eyeliner is perfect for those who need precision. The clutch adds extra value, turning this into more of a beauty set than just a collection of individual products. Now, are there any alternatives out there? Of course, there are a few other mascaras and eyeliners that perform similarly, but few offer the same combination of volume, precision, and style in one kit. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, there are mascaras and eyeliners that offer good volume and precision, but they may lack the high-end feel of the Pupa Vamp set. So, what's my final verdict? The Pupa Vamp, all-in-one and skinny liner set does exactly what it claims. It delivers volume, precision, and a touch of glam. Whether you're a mascara lover or an eyeliner enthusiast, this set covers both bases well. If you're looking for a new beauty kit that ticks all the boxes in terms of performance and design, I'd recommend giving this one a try. Thank you so much for watching. If you're thinking about getting this set, check out the link in the comments below. And if you've used any of these products, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.